We all know that content is king, but having content custom created is expensive. Private label rights articles are good, but everyone ends up with the exact same articles, and that's bad, especially when trying to get your content ranked in the search engines. Article Builder is the solution. Let me demonstrate. Getting an article from Article Builder is as simple as selecting a category, and you can see we have many profitable categories, and this list grows every week, and entering your subtopic keywords, which is optional, but I'll go ahead and do that. I'll include exercise and nutrition. Selecting your target word count, I want my articles to be at least 500 words, and telling it how many articles you want. I'd like 3. Now optionally, you can store this job into your My Saved Jobs, and I'll demonstrate that in just a minute. Then I just click Build My Article, and here you go. We have 3 different articles on weight loss with different titles, different introductions, and different tips inside the body, including tips about exercise and nutrition. Now, what makes these articles different from traditional private label rights or PLR articles is that these articles are built from a massive database of titles, introductory and concluding paragraphs, and tips and snippets that are all woven together to form a complete article that makes perfect sense. Now, since the title is different, and your introduction is different, and each tip is different, as well as having the conclusion being different, what you get is far more unique than a typical private label rights article. But all of this content is private label, so you can modify it to your heart's content. You can spin it, you can rewrite it, or you can use it as it is. Whatever you want to do with it, you can. Now let me demonstrate My Saved Jobs. So I'll click on that, and you see I have 2 jobs that are saved. If you check that box under the Build an Article form, you can save the form variables that you put in, and then all you have to do is tell it how many articles you want and click Run Job. And there you go. I've got 3 more articles on weight loss with exercise and nutrition included in the article. The Article Builder database literally has tens of thousands of categorized snippets, but it's not stopping there. Thousands more snippets are added every week, and that means an almost unending supply of fresh content for your articles. But if Article Builder doesn't yet cover some topics you need, you can request those topics. All you have to do is click on the Request Topics link up here at the top and enter in the keywords that you need content for into this box. If you want continued growth in the categories that are already covered by Article Builder, just be sure to include those in your list as well. We aggregate all users' requested topics and use that to determine what content gets added to the database each week. That's all there is to it. We've kept the design simple and efficient on purpose. Why clutter things up when what you really need is continuous fresh content built around the topics that your websites cover? Article Builder gives you just that, all at the click of a button. Get your access right now.